In this video, we will study rational numbers in detail. Do you know what is rational numbers? Yes, the numbers which can be represented or written in the form of a upon b, where a and b both are integers and b is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Here we will study some properties of rational numbers. Number 1, all natural numbers are rational numbers because 2 can be written as 2 upon 1 and 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. And we can also say that all natural numbers are rational numbers, where all rational numbers need not to be a rational numbers, because we can't write all rational numbers in the form of natural numbers. Property number 2, all whole numbers are rational numbers. Why? Because 0 can be written as 0 upon 1 and 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. Similarly, we cannot say that all rational numbers are whole numbers. It is not necessary. Property number 3, all integers are rational numbers because minus 3 can be written as minus 3 upon 1 and minus 8 can be written as minus 8 upon 1. And on the same pattern, all rational numbers need not to be a integer. So our next topic is simplest form of a rational number. A rational number of the form a upon b is said to be in its simplest form if a and b are integers having no common factors other than 1, where b is not equal to 0. For example, 2 upon 4. We can easily observe that the common factors of 2 and 4 are 1 and 2. We will not take its common factor 1, we will take its common factor 2. Now, divide 2 by 4 by this common factor 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It is equal to 1 by 2. And now you can observe there is no common factor of 1 and 2 other than 1. Therefore, we can say 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 2 by 4. It is also the standard form of a rational number. While solving few examples of exercise, we need to transform all the rational numbers into the simplest form of rational number. That will be our final answer. Next topic is equivalent rational numbers. If a and b, if a upon b is a rational number and n is a non-zero integer, then a upon b is equals to a upon b multiplied by n. A multiplied by n upon b multiplied by n is an equivalent rational number of a upon b. In general, whenever we have to find a equivalent rational number of any rational number, we will multiply that rational number by any non-zero integer. That non-zero integer can be any positive integer or negative integer, but it cannot be equal to 0. For example, find equivalent rational number of 2 by 5. We have taken 10 because 10 is a positive integer. We multiply 10 by numerator and denominator. 2 multiply 10 upon 5 multiply 10 equals 20 upon 50. So 20 upon 50 is an equivalent rational number of 2 upon 5. You can also verify it because 20 upon 50, what is the common factor of 20 and 50? Yes, common factor is equal to 10. Now divide 20 upon 50 by its common factor, we get 2 upon 5, and this is the same as our original rational number. Hence, in this video, you studied few properties of rational numbers, the simplest form of a rational number and equivalent rational number. Thank you.